welcome to Kaswell's Kappa, the channel where you learn how to work on your Kappa step by step. In today's video, we're going to learn how to replace both the driver's side and the passenger side door sills. That way you have both in one video as a set. I'll provide you with everything you need, including pages from the service manual. Well, let's get to it. To remove your door sills, it's pretty simple. They're located right here. There's one here and then one on the driver's side. It's just held in by 4 simple tabs. We're going to grab them, pull up in order to remove the set. When it comes to removing the driver's side door sill, I like to grab up front. There's little holes here, and you're basically just going to pull until all the clips release. Just like so. They're all removed. When it comes to installing your driver's side sill plate, I like to slide it in, and this time I'll usually start from the back because the back's usually easier to deal with than the front, depending on your Solstice. But we're going to try to get all those clips popped in. But you got to make sure it's in the right spot or it won't work. Since you can see, I'm having a little bit of trouble here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, just like that. They're all popped in. Once the driver's side has been done, we can move on to the passenger side. It's the exact same thing. Reach in, pull up. Door sill has been removed. To install the passenger side, same thing as the driver's side. Line it all up. It's going to be 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, just like that, your door sill is installed. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped you out, that you learned something new. If you happen to have more procedures that need to be done for your vehicle, hop on over to kaswellskappa.wixsite.com/kaswellskappa. I hope you get a new domain soon, so it's just kaswellskappa.com. That way you ain't got to type all that out. But on that website, you can find procedures for Kappas and non-Kappas, so that if you have to do anything else for your vehicle, it's there and available for y'all to follow along with. But other than that, that's all I have for y'all today, and I will see y'all next time. Until then.